don't know how many people know, but you basically pioneered the bachelor's in data science, no, in UST. UNC Prof Rico, no? Can you talk a little bit about that? What was the start of it and how you went
The
about it?
start of it was well, the start of it is I get fascinated with machine learning, data mining way back 2013, 2014.
Okay.
Some undergraduate students from LaSalle,
Lasal.
yeah, looking for they are econ finance. They're looking for a statistician,
Okay.
not an analyst, not a data scientist or anything. A statistician that could work into the data to their thesis. So I
Mm-hmm.
don't know what's that. So I told them, okay, let me look at your paper. Give me a month.
Ah, so ikaw yung consultant.
Yeah,
You're
ako
the
yung
stat
consultant or
consultant.
stat
Okay.
consultant. So give me
Mm.
a month to learn about it. Then a month, try to learn about it, and said, okay, I think we can work it out. I was fascinated how this thing is different from the usual stat that I use.
Yeah.
Then I meet you guys. I meet Carlo,
Carlo Panti.
Carlo Panti
Ah,
in UNP. I think that was your first.
Industry Academe Summit.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
And continue pa rin. From 2014, I keep getting a statistics
Project.
thesis
Mm.
project about data mining and machine learning. So I don't know how to code, by the way. I code a bit, pero I'm not really that. May mga,
It's not your core skill.
yeah,
Okay.
pero may mga, at least I know how it works.
Was this ano? R? Python? Ano ba?
The
MATLAB?
Math,
R?
R and Python. So I do MATLAB in the masters,
Okay.
uh, but not on the machine learning side. So I look for softwares that are free. Para naman eh, mahal nga lang.
Oo, SPSS lang eh. Kaya
Yeah.
puro bootleg yung gamit namin dahil SPSS.
No, nagpa naman ako, nag-rapid minor naman ako.
Ah, Rapid Miner, yeah.
So
That's nice.
I did rapid minor. Though I do also SPSS. Kasi then I continue. Tapos naging training consultant ng Strand Asia, which
Hmm.
is the SPSS provider in the Philippines. Oh,
Oh, so you
dire-diretso
taught
lang.
SPSS as part of your
Yeah,
consultancy. Okay.
yes. Even now, every now and then, tinatawag ako ng Strand Asia to give a lecture para sa clients nila how to use SPSS.
Okay.
Because SPSS also have a modeler.
Yeah.
They have also a machine learning built in. So yun, then K to 12 come.
Oo nga, no? K to 12.
So I
Okay.
was from the College of Commerce and Business Administration before. Then 2018, I was transferred to the College of Science.
Okay.
Good thing, kasi when I transferred to College of Science, sabi ko, boom na ang kan eh, ang data science. 2018.
Anong year to? 2018. Okay.
2018. So
Okay.
sabi ko, so I asked Carlo again to come to US. Come to UST.
Hmm.
Introduce AAP to the College of
May
Science.
AP na nun. Kaka-form pa lang.
Yeah, kaka-form pa lang.
Hmm.
So introduce AAP to the College of Science, sabi ko. Then that's why others may say na they are with AAP as an academic institution to be rather than us. But we're the first official academic.
It was
Oo.
always UST from day one, right? Yeah.
Yeah. And I think from the time I met you in 2016, never
Mm-hmm.
hindi ako naka-miss ng meetups and
From the
events.
inception, ano?
Oo. So I know nung hindi pa siya association.
Actually, I
Yes.
don't know how many people will remember or admit it. Pero there was an aversion to AAP back in the day from schools. Except UST. UST
Except
was the
UST.
first. Oo.
Yeah.
Parang ayaw makipag-associate ng mga schools na, who are these people? They're not even academics. Fast forward later, I remember getting a criticism from some member that doesn't exist anymore. Literally, nagsara na yung company. Na AAP is just full of academics. Sabi ko, What?
What?
You were not there from day one. I believe. Yeah, tama. Oh, sige, sorry. Going back. 2018.
Yeah,
Talks.
so yun, nangyari. Nagkaroon ng MOA, AAP. Then sabi ko, we need, di ba, one of the vision of AAP before was to have please human resource, data
Mm,
scientist, data analyst.
yeah.
Sabi ko, why not? So I propose it to the dean. Way back then, that's Dean Ramos, John Ramos.
Okay.
Then sabi niya, okay, since pre-propose mo, i-lead mo.
You've chosen your fate. Dean ng CS.
Ng
College.
CS. Then, Doc Che pick up the idea. He asked CICS and College of Science
Mhm.
to create a group, build a group, and create a program. We follow the EAP framework, yung data engineer, data science, data
The
analyst.
professional maturity framework.
Maturity
Yeah.
framework.
Yeah.
But for the College of Science, we're targeting two data scientists, data analysts, at least. CICS before has CS and I major in business analytics and data science. They're as part of their specialization. So nung nakita nila yung framework, sabi nila, sige, we'll do data engineering.
Buhay pa yun Because I still see graduates of parang
ako
business
na,
analytics major and ano something.
matatapos na by next year.
They're not going to entertain anymore. They're going to merge.
Because magta-third year na yung first batch namin. So the time we offered the data science,
okay.
kinat na rin nila yung data science and data analyst. Because
Okay.
it's a
redundant.
Redundant. And the two colleges offers data science and analytics.
Okay.
So it's not just offered by the College of Science. Kasi
That's
yun yung mandate,
fascinating.
yun yung sinabi ni Doc Che sa amin before. No, we'll just have one program. Wala na
Para
data
everyone in one place. Parang
yes.
ganun. Okay. Was there a difference from a curriculum standpoint between the two tracks?
Yeah. The track that we had was quite beef up in mathematics statistics.
So yung sa CS. Okay. Compared to the specialization.
Specialization. Kasi yung mga CS is more on the CS talaga.
Okay. Okay.
Not on the, kumbaga, mga 2, 3, 4 subjects lang yung nadagdag para mag-specialize sila ng CS, ng DS. So that's it. Then come pandemic.
Oo nga, no? Tumama yung pandemic, 2019.
2019. So
pero UST was a member already.
Yeah, 2018. At the start. We're a member at the start.
Yeah.
Sabi nga ng officers, I think we are the oldest member.
Natama lang, no? Being the oldest school. Yeah.
So, that's it. So, 2021, before I went for a sabbatical leave for my data collections for my dissertation. So, na-push naman yung program. So, right now, we have second year na yung first batch namin, third year next year. So
yeah, how time flies, no? I remember addressing the inaugural batch last year.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. So, was that the first thing that happened? Parang sunod-sunod eh. I remember giving a talk and then addressing the batch. I don't know which came first. And then we met with Dr. Peralta.
No, you address first the batch.
Yun muna. And then there was a talk.
And you have a talk.
Yeah. Actually, dalawang talks nga yata eh. There was an ethics one and there was a math one.
Yes.
And then we met Dr. Peralta.
Yes.
Then we had coffee.
Yes.
And then the design thinking and all the other stuff happened. And then ito na. Ay summit na. Amazing, no? Imagine mo yun.
Bilis.
Parang wala lang, eh, no? So I remember we were having coffee in that Starbucks sa UST, di ba? Wala nga
walang
small
internet.
room, walang internet sa likod, di ba? And we were saying, paano natin gagawin to? You know what? Let's just propose something and then see what sticks. Remember that? Yung sinabi, let's see what sticks. And then it stuck.